Good morning. I'm here to talk about the harvesttec Hay Boss, the microwave system that we put on our Krone baler. On this system, this is a dye marking system only and not with the applicator. So it's just, all it does is it marks wet bales in our fields. This is in the baler tractor, and it hooks up to a USB cord in the tractor and then hooks up to an iPad. Star wheel system here is included in the system because you need your ton per hour. I only use this for that and not for moisture. I only use the microwave sensor that I put in the back of the baler on this particular unit. The dye marking system for the baler is located right behind it. We had to make an adjustment to the bracket that came factory, put an extra bend in it, and it works actually quite well. So the one side, the other side, exactly the same thing, and the microwave system has done flawlessly. In my experience, you cannot beat it. I'm gonna go over to my dye marker. Itself is right here, is where the reservoir is. It holds about 3 to 4 gallons of water, and then recommended to put in the harvesttec dye marking system into it and not using anything else. Our wiring harness has gone through here and it goes to the DCP, and here's all the rest of the wiring for it. It's a little bit of a mess right now, but I'll get that cleaned up. This is the DCP, the dual channel processor, which everything hooks up to. There's my other star wheel that is only used for tons per hour. So I never used it for anything moisture related. So it was just a tons per hour, and it worked quite well right there. We have an end of bale sensor right here. We put the end of bale sensor right on this arm. When the bale gets tied off, you can see how far away it is, and it worked quite well where it was. I didn't have any issues with it. Stuffer sensor is located on the stuffer, which is right here. Again, clearance is there, and you don't need anything more than that for clearance on it. Everything is run back neatly down the line, and it goes underneath, inside, over here, up, over, and back to the baler tractor. So once again, the sensor here for the stuffer, and a bale here, DCP, star wheel, the spray marker reservoir, and the microwaves. Thanks.